We recently got a new Whippet puppy, and since I use my Segway F2 Pro frequently, I decided to get a trailer for the puppy so that we can ride together. I purchased the trailer for 60 Australian dollars on Gumtree, and I'm currently working on attaching it to my Segway. I assembled it quickly as the previous owner showed me. He was also very kind to help me attach this trailer to my scooter by expanding one of the parts' diameter to fit into my scooter's bolt size. It wasn't as hard as I thought. You just need to remove the reflectors at the back and unscrew the plastic casing. This is the most important part as it connects the trailer to the scooter. It is called a trailer hitch or trailer coupler. I'm gonna attach it to the left side of the scooter, and so I start by removing the left reflector and then unscrew to remove the plastic casing. Start by unscrewing this nut. You will have to remove this washer for now because otherwise there's not enough space for the coupler and the nut to go together. Add the coupler in and tighten the nut. Replace the reflector casing and add the reflector back in. That's it, it's all done and set. Now it's time to attach the trailer to the coupler. Just align them together and insert the clip that comes with the trailer. There you go, it's nicely attached. There is this bit of a rope in here that you can tighten it over the scooter that it stays even more secure, and just clip it on. Time to test it. I hope this video has helped you in some way. Check out my other videos and I'll see you next time.